Wondering how to predict the price of a new token before it hits the market? In this video, I'll show you a simple formula to calculate the launch price of the X Empire token, and any future airdrop, so you can know exactly what to expect and how much your tokens could be worth. Let's break it down. The first step to determining a token's price is understanding the key relationship between its market cap and circulating supply. Market cap represents the total value of a cryptocurrency, while circulating supply refers to the number of tokens currently available in the market. The formula that ties these two metrics together is 1. Market cap equals circulating supply times price. In simpler terms, the market cap is calculated by multiplying the total number of tokens available, circulating supply, by the price per token. If you know the market cap and the circulating supply of a token, you can easily calculate the price using the rearranged formula. 1. Price equals market cap divided by circulating supply. This formula is widely used in the crypto space and can be applied to any token, regardless of its size or type. For example, if you want to calculate the price of Bitcoin, you would simply take its market cap, the total value of all Bitcoins in circulation, and divide it by the current circulating supply, the total number of Bitcoins available in the market. This will give you the current price of 1 Bitcoin. The same approach applies to other cryptocurrencies like BNB, Ethereum, or newer tokens. Platforms like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko use this formula to display real-time token prices by continuously tracking each asset's market cap and circulating supply. Why this formula matters? Understanding this formula is crucial because it highlights the direct relationship between supply, demand, and price in the crypto market. For example, if a token has a high circulating supply but a relatively low market cap, its price will naturally be lower. Conversely, a token with a smaller circulating supply and a large market cap will have a higher price. This formula also helps investors and traders make informed predictions about the future price of a token, especially during events like token launches, airdrops, or market rallies. By estimating the circulating supply at launch and making a reasonable prediction of the market cap, you can get a rough estimate of what the initial price of a new token will be. Whether you're looking to invest or just trying to understand market trends, this formula is the foundation of cryptocurrency pricing and is an essential tool for analyzing the value of any digital asset. Now that we know the formula, let's apply it to the X Empire token. We first need to identify the circulating supply at launch. The total supply of X Empire is 690 billion tokens, but only 75% of this, or 517.5 billion tokens, will be circulating at launch. The remaining 25% is reserved for future phases or new users, so it won't be in circulation initially. To estimate the potential market cap of X Empire at launch, we need to rely on comparative analysis since the token hasn't been launched yet and no concrete data is available. By studying past examples of similar token launches, we can make educated predictions about where X Empire's market cap might fall within a certain range. Why market cap matters? Market cap is a critical measure because it reflects the total value of a cryptocurrency and indicates the level of investor interest and confidence in the token. A high market cap at launch can signal strong demand and optimism, while a lower market cap may suggest a more cautious or speculative outlook from early investors. For new tokens, the initial market cap can also shape their trajectory by influencing liquidity, trading volume, and overall market behavior in the first few days after launch. Using historical data to predict X Empire's market cap to forecast X Empire's market cap, we can examine similar tokens that have recently launched and analyze their market performance. One useful example is Notcoin, which had a market cap of $1.05 billion at launch. Similarly, tokens like Doge and other well-known meme or utility tokens also experienced significant early market valuations. Here are a few factors we can consider when making predictions. Token utility and use case. Tokens with a clear use case and practical utility, like decentralized finance, DeFi, tokens or utility tokens in a specific ecosystem, often see higher market caps because investors believe in their long-term viability. If X Empire has a solid roadmap, innovative technology, or an appealing use case, this could attract substantial early investment, pushing its market cap higher. Community and hype. The size and engagement of the tokens community can dramatically affect the market cap at launch. Tokens with a large following or significant pre-launch hype often see strong early market performance. If X Empire has built up a sizable community, its market cap could lean toward the higher end of predictions. Market sentiment and timing, the general state of the cryptocurrency market at the time of X Empire's launch will also play a role. In bullish conditions, new tokens tend to launch with higher valuations, while bearish or volatile conditions can dampen enthusiasm and result in more conservative market caps. Supply considerations, the circulating supply of X Empire will also impact its market cap. With 75% of its total supply, or 517.5 billion tokens, circulating at launch, the market cap will depend heavily on how investors value these tokens at the time of the launch. Market cap predictions for X Empire based on the market cap history of other token launches like Notcoin, which started with $1.05 billion, we can create a range of predictions for X Empire. Given that Notcoin is a relatively successful launch, it sets an upper benchmark. However, tokens typically vary in market cap depending on factors like utility, hype, and community engagement. For example, smaller or less hyped projects may start with much lower market caps. Given this, I predict that X Empire's market cap at launch could range from $100 million to $500 million. Here's why. Lower bound, $100 million. If X Empire doesn't generate as much hype or if market conditions are unfavorable, the token could see a more modest launch. A $100 million market cap would still indicate significant interest but suggest a more cautious initial valuation from investors. Upper bound, $500 million, on the other hand, if X Empire attracts strong investor interest, has a well-defined utility, and the market is in a bullish phase, it could launch with a market cap as high as $500 million. This would place it closer to the level of tokens like Doge or other notable altcoins during their early days. This range allows us to account for variables like investor sentiment, market conditions, and the strength of X Empire's marketing and community building efforts leading up to the launch. Now, let's calculate the potential price of X Empire under different market cap scenarios. I've made 3 predictions for market cap: $500 million, $200 million, and $100 million. Market cap, $500 million using the formula, price equals $500 million divided by 517.5 billion equals $0.000965. If you hold 100,000 X Empire tokens, the value would be approximately $96.50. Market cap, $200 million using the formula, price equals $200 million divided by 517.5 billion equals $0.000386 for 100,000 X Empire tokens. This would translate to $38.60. Market cap, $100 million using the formula, price equals $100 million divided by 517.5 billion equals $0.000193 for 100,000 tokens. The value would be $19.30. So, based on different market cap predictions, if X Empire launches with a market cap of $500 million, the token price will be around $0.000965, and if you hold 100,000 tokens, you could make around $96.50. At a market cap of $200 million, the value drops to $38.60, and at $100 million, it would be around $19.30. This method can be used for any token's price prediction, based on its circulating supply and expected market cap. Remember, these are just estimates based on past trends and similar token launches. Be sure to do your own research and calculations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.